why is it that screens are so addictive for kids?
Screens act as instant gratification.
Oh.
Okay. And there is a release of dopamine in the brain when you watch screens. And dopamine is like a happy hormone. Okay. It gives you that feel good factor. Okay. It's like that feel good factor that you want. So you can compare it to sugar, or you can compare it to a gambler. Why do they do gambling? It's just the same.
Dopamine hit.
Yes, the dopamine hit. And that's why kids crave for screens more and more. And you might have observed, whenever you take that screen from the child starts, crying or throwing tantrum, or, So it's not that the child is misbehaving. It's the dopamine drop. Right?
Yeah.
So it's just the dopamine that's actually acting and making the child addictive to screen.
That is so true. So I'll give you an example. Kian till now doesn't have screen time. Like, we do video calls, but he doesn't watch any cartoons. We had visited his doctor for some vaccination recently, and wahan pe na there was a big TV on which they were playing cartoons. And he's like, okay, TV पे ऐसा भी कुछ आता है, मतलब he doesn't know
He
that
saw it for the
concept.
first
He saw it for the
time,
first time. Like, ये क्या dog आ रहा है TV पे, pig आ रहा है TV पे, and I didn't want to create a big thing कि अरे मत देखो, तो आज ठीक है देख लो, it's fine, you're sitting here, you watch.
Correct.
And I saw the way he was hooked.
Yes.
He was just like constantly, like without even blinking, watching it. And I was like trying कि चलो आओ books पढ़ लेते हैं. We had books in our bag. Like चलो बाहर देख लेते हैं. Cars देखने जा. तो he's like हाँ चलते हैं. But then जाते जाते भी he's like this.
Yes.
And I'm like, wow.
So you know what? It's the fast-paced content. It's the change of frame, the constant change of frame.
Yeah.
It's the visuals, the vibrant colors, the sounds.
Yeah.
That is also, it keeps sparking that neurons in the brain.
Yeah.
And that's how the child is just hooked.
So the
They
stimulation
can't take it's highly stimulating. They can't take their eyes off. Yes. You might have seen parents like calling out the child's name, but the child is just looking there.
हाँ.
Yes.
I had to be like, Kian, सुनो,
Yes.
हमें जाना है.
Correct.
Yeah.
So it's made like that. Channels like all these shows, these cartoons, they are made like that to hook the child.
Yeah. So what exactly happens in a child's brain when they're watching the screen?
So as I told you, there's a constant change of frame rate and, all these the noises and the visuals. So these are like sparking the neurons. It's like making your brain a popcorn brain. So have you seen a popcorn popping?
Yeah.
Popping of a corn is popcorn.
Yeah.
Right? It's the same way how the neurons in our brain, they keep popping, they keep sparking. Okay?
Oh.
And that's the main reason why the child is hooked. But have you heard about these terms? Virtual autism.
Yeah.
And have you heard about ADHD? Yes. It's attention deficit hyperactive disorder. You know what happens? The child becomes so hyperactive because of the stimulating content that the child has just watched, that the child can't sit in one place, that the child can't focus on slow activities like writing or doing homework or, reading a book. The child will find it all very boring.
Yeah.
The child just can't sit. The child has lost his attention span. He can't focus. He can't concentrate. Right? So these all things happens in ADHD. And then there's virtual autism. So it's just similar to what autism is.
Okay.
The child does not respond to his own name. There is a very big impact on the social skill of the child. So this, he does not develop those social skills.
Yeah.
Yes. So these are the things which actually can happen. These are the things which can happen if a child is introduced to screens in early years. So the first initial years, like the 0 to 6 years of age, is crucial for brain development. That's when the cognitive development, the social skills are developing, the language is developing. So, the screens are adversely impacting on these things. And also it affects a lot on the behavior. A child becomes very irritable, very aggressive with screens.